Amino acids are building blocks of proteins and are essential to survival. Amino acids contain three main parts: a carboxyl group, an amine group, and an R group. The R group is different depending on the type of amino acid. The most basic amino acid have its R group being a single hydrogen. This is known as glycine. The middle carbon atom often have four different groups attached to it, with the only exception of glycine. This gives an optical property, so amino acids can come in the form of L amino acids and D amino acids. Almost all amino acids found in living organisms are L amino acids, but D amino acids can be found in bacterial cell walls. The naming of the carbon side chain is special. Instead of the standard number labeling, the chiral carbon is named alpha and following with beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, and so on. The most typical amino acids are alpha amino acids, where the amine group is connected to the alpha carbon. But there are also beta amino acids and gamma amino acids. Most of the properties of an amino acid depends on its R group, such as being hydrophilic or hydrophobic, acidic or basic, and so on. The isoelectric point refers to the pH that a specific amino acid solution contains the same number of positive ions and negative ions. At the isoelectric point, amino acids exist in the state of a zwitter ion, where the carboxylic acid group, the protonate, forming a negative carboxylate group, and the amine group protonate, forming an ammonium group. This zwitter ion formation makes it so that amino acids have ionic properties and can form ionic lattice structure similar to salt crystals. At low pH, the excess proton in the solution will integrate in the structure at the amine group, forming ammonium group. Similarly, at high pH, the proton from the carboxylic acid will dissociate to form carboxylate. In the human body, there are 20 amino acids, of which 9 are indispensable, meaning that you must obtain them from food sources because the human body is not capable of synthesizing them. 6 other amino acids are indispensable at certain conditions, and 5 can be synthesized by our body. Lacking one or more indispensable amino acid can limit the utilization of other amino acids, even if they are in excess. This can limit growth and repair of body tissues. Excess amino acids are converted into urea by the liver and are passed out of the body by urination. It is the versatility of amino acid that makes it one of the 3 macronutrients that all organisms rely on.